step of backing up your data content before initiating a reset. It's crucial to back up all your important data. This includes contacts, photos, videos, documents, and app data. You can back up your data using Samsung Google Drive or other cloud services. Alternatively, you can connect your phone to a computer and manually copy files to an external storage device. Failing to back up your data will result in permanent loss of information. Once the reset is complete, ensure all important information is securely saved before proceeding to the next step. Accessing the reset menu content, navigate to your phone settings. You can usually find this by tapping the gear-shaped icon in your app drawer or notification shade. Once in settings, scroll down and look at the general management or similarly named option. Within this section, you should find an entry titled Reset Options or something similar. Tap on this option to access the reset menu containing various reset options. For your Samsung Galaxy, fast step selecting the factory data reset option content. Within the reset menu, you'll see several options, including things like resetting network settings or resetting app preferences. You need to select factory data reset or a similarly worded option. This option will completely erase all data and settings on your phone, restoring it to its original factory state. Carefully read any warnings or prompts before proceeding, as this action is irreversible without a prior backup step. Confirming the reset content. After selecting factory data reset, you will likely be prompted to confirm your decision. You might be asked to enter your screen locked-in password or biometric authentication, depending on your phone's security settings. This is a crucial security measure to prevent accidental resets. Carefully review the warning message detailing data loss and confirm your choice to proceed with the reset process. Step waiting for the reset to complete. Content. Once you confirm the reset, your phone will begin the process of erasing all data and reinstalling the factory operating system. This can take several minutes depending on the amount of data stored on your device and the phone's processing power. Do not interrupt the process during the stage. Once the reset is complete, your phone will restart and you'll be presented with the initial setup screen, allowing you to configure your device as a new phone.